How to use App Store pre-order feature. To use the App Store's pre-order feature, first of all, you have to launch the App Store on your iPhone. However, I'm on Android device, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you open the App Store on your Apple device, you simply have to locate the pre-orders. Go to the Games or Applications tab and scroll down to the Pre-orders are coming soon category. You can also search for a highly anticipated app directly. Now you simply have to tap pre-order instead of get or price button. Once you tap on this pre-order button, next to the app's release date, you simply have to double click the side button or use the Face ID, Touch ID to authorize the pre-order. If the app is paid, the price is listed but your card will not be charged yet. And on the release date, the application will be downloaded automatically and the payment will also be processed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.